Good afternoon everyone. Today our group is presenting a real-world AI case study, one that most of us interact with almost every day without even realizing it. We are looking at Amazon's AI personalization engine, the recommendation system behind customers who bought this also bought, and how it transformed one of the world's largest e-commerce companies. I will be setting the scene, then my teammates will walk us through the analysis, the numbers, and what we can all take away as future professionals. Here is our structure. I will cover the company context, the problem Amazon faced, and a quick overview of their AI solution. Then our second group member, Hassan MUDASSAR, will take us deeper into how the AI approach was chosen and the implementation challenges. Then our third group member, IMRAN, will walk you through the hard numbers before and after KPIs and how the system impacted different parts of the business. Then our fourth group member, ARINA, will close with lessons we can actually apply along with the ethical dimension and our group recommendation. Company and the problem context. Amazon, founded in 1994, headquartered in Seattle, by the early 2000s, they had over 100 million products and were adding hundreds of thousands more every month. And here is the problem: with a catalog that large, how does an individual customer find what they actually want? Back then, Amazon's homepage was essentially the same for everyone: one set of featured products, one editorial section, no matter who you were or what you bought before. The result: customers were browsing, not finding the living. Data showed a 60 to 70% exit rate on generic pages. Conversion was low, revenue was being left on the table. So Amazon asked, what if the homepage looked completely different for every single customer, personalized in real time, based on their own behavior? The answer was machine learning recommendation engine, especially the A technique called collaborative filtering, which at its core finds patterns across millions of users and says, people like you also love this. This was not a simple feature update. This was a fundamental reimagining of how customers experience Amazon. With that context set, I will hand over to Hassan Mudassar to walk us through how that decision was made and what it looked to build.
Decision process and implementation. How Amazon chose the AI approach? Amazon chose the artificial intelligence approach to improve efficiency, customer satisfaction, and business decision making. As the company grew rapidly in global e-commerce, it needed a smart system to handle large amount of data, customer preferences, and logistic operations. AI provided the ability to analyze data quickly and automated many processes that would otherwise require human effort. One of the main reasons Amazon adopted AI was to enhance its recommendation system. By using machine learning algorithm, Amazon can analyze customers' browsing history, previous purchases, and search patterns to suggest relevant products. This AI based recommendation system helps increases sale while also improving the shopping experience for customers. Another important factor in choosing AI was automation in logistics and warehouses. Amazon was AI powered robots and predictive algorithm to manage inventory, optimize overlay routes, and speed up order fulfillment. This reduces operational costs and improves delivery efficiency. AI is also used in Amazon's voice assistant technology, such as Amazon Alexa. Alexa uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to users. This innovation shows how Amazon expanded AI beyond e commerce into smart home technology. Furthermore, AI helps Amazon detect fraud, manage cybersecurity risk, and forecast product demand. By analyzing large database, AI system can identify unusual patterns and prevent fraudulent transcripts. In conclusion, Amazon chose the AI approach because it allows the company to process large scale data, automated operations, and deliver personalized service to customers. The use of AI has become a key part of Amazon's strategy to remain competitive and innovative in the global technology and e commerce industry.
Hello, my name is Imran Hussain. Now I talk about my part. Thank you. Let's talk numbers because this is where the case studies become complaining. Looking at the chart, you can see the before and after across four key metrics. Revenue from AI recommendations. Before the personalization engine, roughly 10% of Amazon's total revenue could be attributed to recommendations. After full of deployment, that figure rose to 35%. To the put that in context, one third of everything Amazon sells today is driven by this single AI system. Click-through rate improved from 2.1 to 6.8%, a 224% increase. Mainly the topic, that means the same numbers of page visit now uh, generates more than 3 times the engagement, and the chart enrollment dropped from 72 to 48%. That's a 33% reduction in customers who were about to buy but lived within completing a purchase. One additional metric worth highlighting: recommendation accuracy, measured by whether a customer actually purchased what was recommended, exceeded 85%. The model was not just clicking, it was converting. Results didn't just affect revenue. Every department in Amazon was touched definitely. Marketing saw their campaign become far more efficient. Personalized emails doubled open rates, and the team shift from mass broadcasting to one-to-one macro uh, targeting, less spend, more return. Operations and supply chain benefit through demand forecasting accuracy improved by approximately 20%, allowing Amazon to pre-position inventory at fulfillment centers more accurately, less overstock. Fair emergency transfers. For the data science and engineering terms, the impact was more mixed. The rapid scaling created significant technical debt. They were maintaining over 200 features, pipeline simultaneously, and models required constant returning. Real gains, but real prices too. Customer broadly experienced improved satisfaction. Net promoter score improved by around 12 points. However, a meaningful subset raised privacy concern, which read directly into the transparency which future speaker to mention.
Hello everyone, myself ARINA KARIM and I'm the last speaker. And my part is lesson learned and recommendation. From the case study, there are several important lessons we can learn from Amazon AI personalization system. First, companies should always focus on their customers' problem. Like Amazon used to help AI to help customers find product easily, which improve their shopping. Second, good data is important. Good data make the complex AI model. Amazon succeed because they invest heavily in clean to organize the AI section, like organize the data. Third, it is important to test system before full implementation. Amazon first tests their recommendation system in small categories like book and music before expanding the all product. However, there are also so ethical corners. AI recommendation can raise issues like data privacy, manipulation, transparency, diversity, and recommendation the regular ethical reviews. So in conclusion, Amazon personalization engine shows that can greatly improve their services. They improve their customer experience and business performance when used responsibly. So this was my part. Thank you.